storm stretched from southern Iowa up north into Boone County, creating a straight line right around I-35. KCCI's Marcus McIntosh went northwest of the metro near Ogden to survey the damage the storm left behind.
We are just east of Ogden, right on Jay Avenue, where, as you can see, the road is blocked because not one, but at least 2 trees and a number of branches have fallen into the road. And neighbors here say they consider themselves pretty lucky the damage is not worse.
I saw one big limb down just on the north edge of town, but other than that, a few small branches and some leaves blown around. That's all I've seen.
Van Pelt says this is the worst of what he has seen, so turning around to avoid the limbs covering Jay Avenue for him is no big deal. Julie Lynn lives right next door to where the trees and branches were toppled onto Jay Avenue by Mother Nature.
Heard a lot of wind, rain, hitting the back of the house.
She says after walking her yard, she initially thought her neighborhood weathered the storm with minimal damage until she looked out front.
There was more wind there than I thought there was, or it just came right through this open area right here. So
we also found storm damage about 14 miles south of Ogden in Boughton. Dwayne Tingwald lives just north of town.
I got a call about 3:30 in the morning that the tornado might be a possible tornado coming through here.
When Tingwald rolled into town, he was expecting to see the worst.
It's mostly all tree limbs, trees down. No buildings, you know, no doors off the buildings or anything like that. It's just mostly tree damage.
Damage this volunteer could easily help clean up.
I'm just a Boughton person.
Marcus McIntosh, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
As far as we know, no one was injured as a result of the storm in either Ogden or Boughton.